And grandson Noah, 14, asked me for a welding lesson, so I gave him a couple of pointers. He showed him the angle of the gun, the motion, and the speed, and after about 5 minutes, this is what he came up with. Well, we stopped by our buddy Ralph's place to check on his progress. He's got a real nice little rolling chassis put together for his old Chevy pickup. Got the front end installed, the 4-link system installed in the rear. There'll be some video of this coming up.
Gentleman's unpacking his Pontiac, 36 Pontiac, I think he said. You had this rigged, did you have this rigged down at the Pybus when they had the coffee shop down there?
Down where?
Pybus, at the little coffee shop. Yeah, I think I've seen this rig down there. Yeah.
All over the place in the summertime.
Yep, and this thing runs quiet, smooth. That's what I remember about it when you drove it down there. Yeah. Love that waterfall grill. That's awesome. How long have you had that, John?
Oh, I don't know, about 2.5 years.
Yeah. Did you find it here locally?
Marysville.
Marysville, yeah. I just got back from Marysville. I went over there.
You did?
Yeah, well, I was looking at a truck over there, a Dodge pickup. It was on a website called OfferUp. It's kind of like Craigslist. But it was too much rust for me. I'm not a body man. I weld the rat rods, but I don't do body work. So, your Pontiac Chief and the bumper and the hood ornament. Man, that is really nice. Really nice. Thanks for uncovering it. Let me get in a picture.
Right. You see under the hood?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Which side's best?
Oh yeah, these
The
flatheads.
other side's probably best.
Oh, that's fine. These flatheads are so quiet. You can lay your hand on the fender and can't even tell they're running.
It's not bad.
Yeah, they're nice.
Took a little starting out.
Yeah. Yeah. So you got that frame is a Pontiac frame?
Yeah, that's one of these.
Okay.
Kind of watch your step.
Yeah.
Could be nails or sticks
Okay.
or God knows
Sure
what.
will. Thank you. He's gonna fire up the Pontiac.
Keys.
Oh.
Let me go find the keys.
Okay. Sounds like a 6-volt to me.
Hasn't been started in a couple weeks.
Yeah. There it goes. I just love this old iron. Well, he's gonna back out. I'm gonna back my truck in here and load up that frame. What a beauty.
You want me to turn this?
Simple as that.
You want me to turn this?
We'll take it out there and set it up.
This baby's just like a gimbal.
Yeah,
My hand is
Yeah.
just like a gimbal.
yeah. Bryant gimbal.
Bryant gimbal. Do you want me to turn it off or carry it up there?
Oh, just turn it off. Just flip the lid shut.
Just shut the lid, that's all?
I'll turn it on when we get the motor.
Okay. You can curl the bucket a little.
Pick it up, curl the bucket.
Got it, Ralph?
Let it up, get it up. What's the matter with that?
Huh?
What's wrong with that?
Nothing. That's all right, go ahead. That was just
How's these routes doing? Just strap it down right there.
Okay.
Put some straps on it and kind of suck it back this direction.
Look at that. Oh my.
If we had some mustard gas here, we'd fire it.
You betcha. Oh, look at this.
You ready?
Yeah. She's a roller. We got a rolling chassis. Look at that.
First time it's been out of the garage.
Yeah. Oh, that looks good, Ralph. That looks really good.
You want to see some heavy duty 4-link?
Yeah. That's the same thing I got on my Doja Lab.
Yeah.
Yeah. Heavy duty.
What do you think about his coilovers?
Well, it's already starting to get a good stand.
Yeah. Ready? Sure. It rolls so smooth. Oh, it
Okay, so this is Darren's Trans Am. What year, Darren?
1980.
A 1980. And what engine would that have in it?
In 80, they went to a 301 Pontiac V8,
Okay, 301.
and it's not a not the turbocharged one. It's the carbureted one. Thank goodness.
Okay, yeah, yeah. And its body panels are all straight, looks like.
Well, that's what I've been doing for 3 years.
Oh yeah, you've been working on it, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Well, you want to open her up? Let me
Sure.
see the interior. Okay, you have the door panels.
There's door panels in the trunk.
Okay.
And, electric locks don't seem to work, and the door panels aren't perfect, so I just left
Yeah.
them off in case somebody wanted to work on that.
Yeah, yeah, that's kind of what I did with that Nash. It was loose on the bottom and had those little metal clips that pop into a hole. Kind of like these, only back then they were metal. These are the plastic. And I've got some of those replacements if you happen to need some. But anyway, what was the engine again?
It's a 301.
301.
Yeah.
All right. Carpet looks good.
Brand new carpet.
New carpet.
Yeah.
Yeah. T-top. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Let's pop the hood.
It's all original, numbers matching.
Yeah.
Which 301 not too big a deal, but
Got the big bird on the hood. Boy, it's pretty full in there, isn't it? Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, everything.
Probably too much.
Yeah, power. What would the horsepower be on something like that?
Like an anemic 150, something like
Yeah,
that.
because by 70, what year you said? 70?
This is an 80.
Oh, 80. Yeah.
Yeah.
So by 72 or so, the
Oh yeah.
horsepower was pretty much gone.
Yeah. It still looks like a fast car, but it isn't.
Yeah, I think 71 was about the last year that had any kind of horsepower.
If you get to some speed though, it goes around corners pretty
Yeah,
nice, but then you just
yeah.
got to carry the speed with you.
Well, they got into the emissions things real big
Right.
in the 70s, so
Yeah.
on up into 80. Well, let's hear it. Let's hear it run. Original wheels, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Those are kind of odd looking, turbine looking things. Huh. We need an exhaust gasket?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a full dual exhaust system off
Oh.
the Z28 to go on it.
Goes with
I
it?
just haven't put it on.
Yeah.
But that would help the sound of it quite a bit.
And that would go with it if you sell it?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
It might even be on it by the time somebody calls me.
Yeah, well, that's kind of what I was doing with that Nash. I just kept moving forward, and if I'd kept it a little bit longer, then the next thing would happen, you know.
That was better.
But I was hoping to give it a home before, so it wouldn't have to sit outside here in the snow.
Right.
And
That's kind of where I'm at too.
yeah, because you're pretty full. Your buildings are
Pretty full, and it's a T-top car, and I just don't like having the snow, everything sitting on
Sure.
top of it. These
Sure.
don't seem to leak, but you never know when they're gonna. So
Yeah.
new carpet and everything, it might be smart to get it inside.
Right.
So
you don't want to put new carpet in and then have it destroyed. So
it is the rarest factory color, I believe, in 1980. So it's called Fiero Bronze, PW80 code. And,
Fiero Bronze.
Fiero Bronze.
Okay.
Fancy name. It's kind of a burnt orange color.
Yeah.
But, if you like that color, there's not many of these that were made that color.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of interesting. And it is pretty fully optional. T-tops, all that stuff. Like you said, even had originally cruise control and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I don't know if all that works. I've never even tried it. But
Yeah. Okay. Well, what we'll do probably is I'll throw this in a video and put your email address.
yeah.
That's probably a
bet.
good way. And then if somebody's serious enough, they can send you their email and you guys can change numbers or go from there. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, thanks for bringing it over.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah. How long have you had it, Darren?
Oh, going on about 4 or 5 years, I suppose.
Yeah.
It's just been one of those back burner
Yep.
projects, and
Yeah. Got the little thunder chicken on there.
I did put in new sweeps here too, just because I didn't
Oh, yeah.
leave stuff to get down in between there.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it's got new door pins and bushings. These doors, and I swear, they feel like they're 300 pounds.
Oh, I know.
And these little
Big,
tiny
long-
pins that are like that big
Yep.
around hold all that. So I did
Big,
put in,
long doors.
new door pins, so they're
Yeah.
good and tight now.
Yeah.
And
Yep. All right.
they actually close, so that was a big improvement.
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah. Well, that's good. I will include this in a video and see if anybody's interested. And
Yeah.
they could be the owner of a 1980 Trans Am. Fiero
Bronze.
Bronze. That's pretty fancy.